Yes, my buddies and best, how are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome. This is our Boom and Crush trading robot, which is working on this account and making continuously good profit. As you guys know, previously we posted two videos showing this expert advisor working very good on this account. Look here, is placing a very intelligent look here and step by step moving stop loss and securing your profit. And look here how easily is milking a market, very easy and hence free trading, guys. The best point is this, that if you don't have knowledge of trading, the robot is enough for you. This robot will milk for you. And here you guys can look $21. Okay, and here you guys can look today the profit is running 16 plus, and the today history the $21. Okay, and last week $154 profit and withdrawal of 545, and the balance front of you guys. Now let's move on our VPS and let me show you the robot is running where. So this is our VPS. This is the account 20103653. Okay, and here is Boom and Crash system which is working. Very powerful, very awesome. Automatically trading. Boom and Crash awesome expert advisor. Auto trading. And here is today profit which is running. Look guys, so this is an powerful robot. I'm sorry for a lot of noises. If you want to get the boot, check the description and chat with us. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching. And if you want to check this account, you can ask us for investor password. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for watching, have a good day and best of luck to you all guys. If you want to trade profitable, if you want to make money, and if you want to trade without fear, without emotions, then come and grab our robot, which is best and good for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Best of luck to you guys.